Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fit, fine and safe at your homes. Welcome back in your maths class. Class 5th subject mathematics. This is our chapter 2 percentage and average. And this is our lecture number 4. Today's subtopic is word problems. These are statement sums of questions 5 to 10 of exercise 2b. So today we will do statement sums of exercise 2b. Question number 5 of exercise 2b. Praful earns rupees 24,000 per month. He saves 28% of his salary. How much does he spend every month? प्रफुल्ल हर महीने कितने रुपए कमाता है? 24,000 रुपीज़. और कितना बचाता है? 28% ऑफ दिस सैलरी. 28% ऑफ 24,000. हाउ मच डज ही स्पेंड एवरी मंथ? तो वो हर महीने कितना खर्च कर लेता है. अंडरस्टूड? सॉल्यूशन. मनी अर्नड बाय प्रफुल्ल. कितना मनी अर्न किया? ₹24,000 पर मंथ. मनी ही सेव्स 28% ऑफ हिज सैलरी. सो मनी ही सेव्स 28% ऑफ सैलरी. मनी ही स्पेंड्स. कितना मनी वो खर्च कर लेता है. सपोज हिज अर्निंग इज ₹100 and out of 100 he is saving ₹28. So how much he is spending? 100 minus 28. Similarly, we have 28% of his salary. Total is 100%. So out of 100, 28% he is saving. Then he has spent 72. Understood? Similarly, here it is given that 28% of his salary he is saving. So money he saves 28% of the salary. Money he spends 72% of the salary. 28% बचाता है तो खर्च कितने करता है? 72%. That 72% of ₹24,000 because this is his salary which is he has earned in a month. 72% means 72 upon 100 multiply by ₹24,000. Two zeros. This will cancel. 72 multiply by 24. 4 2s are 8, 4 7s are 28. Now we will start multiplication with 2 by putting a cross sign here. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. Now we will do addition. 8 plus 4 12, 2 1 carry. 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 1 7 and then 1. So 1728 is there with multiplication of 24, but here we have 240. So after doing this multiplication we will put 0 in our product to the right side. So the money he spends, this is ₹17,280. This much money Praful has spent in a month. Understood? Question number 6. The population of a village is 2,400. If 12% were children, find the number of adults. Population of the village is 2,400. एक village में 2,400 लोग रहते हैं. If 12% were children, इसमें से 2,400 में 12% children है, बच्चे हैं. Find the number of adults. Adults निकालने हैं. अगर 12% बच्चे हैं तो adults कितने होंगे? And we have to tell number, not percentage. Understood? So population of the village 2,400. Children in the village 12% of the population. पूरी population का 12% है ना village की population का. Adults in the village 100 minus 12 88. So adults are 88% of the population. Population means जनसंख्या, रहने वाले लोग. 88% of population, 88 upon 100 multiply by 2400, which is given in our question. 0, 0 will cancel from numerator and from denominator. Okay. Now 88 multiply by 24. 88 multiply 24. 4 8s are 32. 2, 3 carry. 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 3, 35. Now multiply sign. 2 8s are 16. 6, 1 carry. 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 1, 17. Now do addition. After adding, what we will get? 2112. So number of adults are 2112. And percentage of the adults, 88%. Right? Question number 7. Manju's weight is 14% more than Anju. If Anju's weight is 63 kg, find Manju's weight. मंजू का वेट अंजू के वेट से 14% ज़्यादा है. अगर अंजू का वेट 63 किलोग्राम है तो मंजू का वेट कितना होगा? सो वेट ऑफ अंजू 63 किलोग्राम. Solution, we will start from the given things, given terms. It is given weight of Anju 63 kilogram. 14% more है मंजू से than 14% of 63 kilogram. Understood? Why we have taken 14% of 63? Because it is given Manju's weight is 14% more than Anju. Right? So 14% means 14 upon 100. Of means multiply 63 kilogram. 14 upon 100 multiply by 63 kilogram. Now 63 multiply by 14, we will get 882. So 882 upon 100 kilogram. Now denominator is 100. So we will put decimal after 2 digits. Ones, tens, put decimal here. It will become 8.82 kilogram. So 63 kilogram का 14% होगा 8.82 kilogram. Now we can calculate weight of Manju. So weight of Manju is equal to 63 kilogram plus 14% more, that is 8.82 kilogram. We can write down 8.82 kilogram plus 63.00 kilogram. Because look here, after decimal 2 digits are there. So insert decimal and write 2 zeros. Now we will do addition. And after adding we will get 71.82 kilogram. This is the weight of Manju. Understood? Question number 8. Anish spends 20% of his income on paying bills and 15% for buying groceries. If his monthly income is rupees 9,000, what is the amount spent by him on bills and groceries? अनीश की मंथली इनकम एक महीने की सैलरी है 9,000 रुपीज़. इस 9,000 में से 20% वो स्पेंड करता है बिल भरने में एंड 50% स्पेंड करता है ग्रोसरीज खरीदने में. व्हाट इज द अमाउंट स्पेंड बाय हिम? तो कितना अमाउंट वो स्पेंड कर लेता है इन दोनों चीज़ों में, बिल एंड ग्रोसरीज के काम में. अंडरस्टूड? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट डाउन द इनकम ऑफ अनीश. टोटल इनकम ऑफ Anish is rupees 9,000. Money spent in paying bills and groceries. 20% for bills and 15% for groceries. So 20% plus 15% of salary. Total is 35% of salary. अपनी सैलरी का 35% वो बिल्स और ग्रोसरीज के लिए खर्च कर देता है. So 35% means 35 upon 100. Of means multiply. Salary, his salary is rupees 9,000. Right? Now 35 upon 100 multiply rupees 9,000. We will solve it. 2 zeros from 9,000 and 2 zeros of 100. 100 ones are and then 100 90s are. We will cancel. Now we have rupees 90 multiply by 35. 35 nines are 315. Then 1 0 we will write to the product, to the right side of the product. So 35% of the salary is rupees 3,150. This much amount Anish is spending for bills and groceries. Question number 9. But you have to revise these questions by doing written practice. Only then you will be able to solve these questions in your test or in your exam. Okay? Question number 9. In KBC, Rahul won 12,50,000 rupees. If he paid 33% as income tax, find his prize money. KBC में कौन बनेगा करोड़पति? KBC में राहुल ने 12,50,000 रुपीज वॉन, जीते, और उसने फिर इस अमाउंट का 33% इनकम टैक्स में पे कर दिया. फाइंड द प्राइज मनी. उसका प्राइज मनी निकालिए. So let's start our solution. राहुल कितना अमाउंट जीता? राहुल वॉन अमाउंट 12,50,000 rupees. We can write down this in words. 12,50,000. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Understood? Money paid as income tax. That is 33% of the amount which he has won. 33%, 33 upon 100 of multiply amount. Amount is rupees 12,50,000. Now 2 zeros, these will cancel. 125 multiplied by 33 is 4,125. And then 2 more zeros we will write down to the right side of our product. So the amount which he has paid as income tax is 4,12,500 rupees. Understood? So money he won as price. जो मनी अब उसके पास रह जाएगा क्योंकि ये तो उसने टैक्स पे कर दिया. We will do subtraction from 12,50,000 minus 12,50,000 में से हम इसको माइनस कर देंगे because this amount is not there with Rahul. Rahul has given us an income tax. So 12,50,000 minus 4,12,500. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 5, not possible, so it will take borrow. 10 minus 5, 5. Here it will become 10 and 10 will change into 9 because it has given borrow. 9 minus 2, 7. 5 will become 4. 4 minus 1, 3. And then 2 minus 4, not possible, it will take borrow. 12 minus 4, 8. So money he won as a prize rupees 8,37,500 rupees. Now in these statement sums, the numbers are little big, but the process is same as you have done. Okay, so do very carefully. Question number 10. A bracelet is made of gold and diamonds. एक ब्रेसलेट है, ब्रेसलेट होता है हाथ में पहनने का, जैसे मम्मा पहनती है ना बैंगल्स, like this. If the weight of the bracelet is 10 gram and 89% is gold in that bracelet, what is the weight of diamonds? एक ब्रेसलेट है, गोल्ड और डायमंड का बना हुआ है. वेट कितना है ब्रेसलेट का? 10 ग्राम. एंड इस 10 ग्राम में 89% गोल्ड है. देन हाउ मच इज डायमंड? Understood the question? Yes? Okay. Then start the solution. First of all, we will find out that how much gold is used for making this bracelet. 89% of 10 gram. Okay. 89 upon 100 multiply by 10 gram. 0 will cancel. 89 upon 10 means 8.9 gram. This much is gold in the bracelet. Weight of the bracelet is 10 gram. Gold in the bracelet 8.9 gram. Diamonds in the bracelet. 10 gram minus 8.9 gram. 10 can be written as 10.0. Why we have taken 0? Because after decimal here it is 1 digit 9. That's why we have taken 0 here also. So 10.0 minus 8.9 is 1.1. So weight of the diamond is 1.1 gram. Understood? Very simple calculation is there. So after doing the statement sums, it's time to take homework. Your homework is do questions 1 to 4 of worksheet. Worksheet of chapter 2. It is given on page number 28. You have to solve these questions in your notebook. Right? These are the questions of your worksheet. Question 1 to 4 you have to do. Now we will do homework discussion of lecture 3. So take out your homework. 4 questions were given from exercise 2B. Question number 1, F part. Find 6% of 1000 liter. 6% means 6 upon 100. Of means multiply. 1000 liter, 6 upon 100 multiply by 1000 liter. Do cancellation of these zeros from numerator and from denominator. Now 6 multiply by 10, that is 60. And don't forget to write down this unit here. So our answer is 60 liter. G part of question number 1. Find 20% of 1500 kilogram. 20% of 1500 kilogram means 20 upon 100 multiply by 1500 kilogram. 2 zeros from numerator and 2 zeros from denominator we can cancel. Now 20 multiply by 15. 15 to the 30. 30 and then 1 0 is there. So our answer will become 300 and unit will be kilogram. Answer is 300 kilogram. Now question number 2. F and G parts were given. So F part. What percent is 60 kilogram of 150 kilogram? याद आ गया आपको? What is the steps? What are the steps? Yes, 60 kilogram given quantity, 150 kilogram total quantity. So given quantity we will take as a numerator, 60 kilogram. Total quantity as denominator, 150 kilogram. Multiply by 100%. 0 0 will cancel. 6 multiply by 100. 600. Kilogram will also cancel. Denominator is 15. 600 upon 15%. 15 4s are 60. 15 zeros are 0. So our answer is 40%. Have you got the correct answer? Good. Question number 2, G part. What percent is rupees 900 of rupees 2700? Given quantity rupees 900 as a numerator. Denominator rupees 2700. Rupees 900 upon rupees 2700 multiply by 100%. 900 ones are 900, 900 threes are 2700. So 100 multiply by 1 is 100 upon 3. Rupees will cancel. 100 upon 3% is 33.33%. If you are getting remainder again and again, then after 2 places of decimal you will stop division. Understood? Have you got the correct answers? Yes? Very good. If no, you will do correction work. Each question will be done. Each wrong question will be done 2 times. That's all for today. Kindly like our videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.